The future of aviation is arriving faster than ever, with revolutionary aircraft designs set to redefine how we travel. Engineers and aerospace innovators are working on game-changing technologies that will make flights faster, greener, and more efficient. Whether it's supersonic airliners that cut travel times in half, zero-emission hydrogen aircraft, or fully electric planes, the next generation of aviation is closer than we think. Imagine flying from Los Angeles to Tokyo in under 5 hours or boarding a plane with no carbon footprint. Companies like Boeing, Airbus, NASA, and several startups are racing to make these possibilities a reality. Many of these futuristic aircraft are already in the testing phase, while others are still concepts that could reshape the industry. As climate concerns grow and fuel costs rise, the demand for sustainable aviation is pushing innovation to new heights. From ultra-fast supersonic jets to autonomous flying taxis, the world of air travel is undergoing its biggest transformation in decades. These planes will not only improve efficiency and comfort, but also make flying more accessible and environmentally friendly. 1. Boom Overture, the supersonic comeback. The Boom Overture is set to bring back supersonic passenger travel, promising speeds of Mach 1.7, which is more than twice as fast as today's commercial jets. Designed to cut flight times in half, it will make a trip from New York to London possible in just over 3 hours. Unlike the Concorde, which was retired due to high costs and noise pollution, the Overture is designed with fuel efficiency and sustainability in mind. It will run on 100% sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, reducing its carbon footprint significantly. Airlines like United and American have already placed orders for this jet, signaling strong industry interest. With a sleek design optimized for both speed and comfort, the aircraft will feature large windows, spacious seating, and cutting-edge aerodynamics to reduce drag. The biggest challenge has been reducing the sonic boom, but engineers are working on ways to make supersonic flight over land viable. If successful, the Boom Overture could usher in a new golden age of high-speed air travel. The first test flights are expected by 2026, with commercial service projected to begin by 2029. 2. Airbus ZERO, the hydrogen-powered future. The Airbus ZERO project aims to be the world's first zero-emission commercial aircraft, running entirely on hydrogen fuel. Airbus has unveiled 3 different concept designs, including a turbofan, a turboprop, and a futuristic blended wing body that maximizes fuel efficiency. Hydrogen fuel produces only water vapor, meaning this plane could eliminate carbon emissions from air travel entirely. One of the biggest challenges is creating the infrastructure to store and transport hydrogen at airports, but Airbus believes it can solve these problems within the next decade. The aircraft will also feature next-generation aerodynamics and lightweight materials to improve efficiency. By reducing reliance on fossil fuels, the ZERO could revolutionize long-haul aviation and make flying one of the most environmentally friendly modes of transport. Airbus is aiming for a 2035 launch, with prototype testing expected in the next few years. If successful, hydrogen-powered flight could become the new standard for the aviation industry. As climate concerns push airlines toward greener solutions, the ZERO could be one of the most important aircraft of the 21st century. 3. NASA X-59, the quiet supersonic jet. The NASA X-59 is an experimental aircraft designed to overcome one of the biggest challenges of supersonic travel, the sonic boom. Traditional supersonic jets create an incredibly loud noise when they break the sound barrier, making flights over land impractical. The X-59 uses innovative aerodynamics and noise-reducing technology to turn that boom into a soft thump, allowing for supersonic travel without disturbing people on the ground. If successful, this aircraft could pave the way for the return of high-speed commercial travel, with flights from New York to Los Angeles in just 2 hours. The jet is being developed in collaboration with Lockheed Martin and features a long, slender nose designed to minimize sound waves. NASA will conduct test flights over U.S. cities to see how residents react to the reduced noise levels. If the results are positive, regulators may lift restrictions on supersonic flight over land. This could lead to the development of next-generation passenger jets that travel at twice the speed of sound. The X-59 is expected to take its first test flight in 2025, marking a major step toward the future of aviation. 4. Boeing 777X, the next-generation widebody. The Boeing 777X is a revolutionary update to one of the most successful long-haul aircraft ever built. It features advanced aerodynamics, larger windows, improved fuel efficiency, and innovative foldable wingtips that help it fit into standard airport gates. The aircraft is powered by the world's largest twin-engine jet engines, making it one of the most powerful commercial planes ever created. With a seating capacity of over 400 passengers, it is designed for ultra-long-haul flights, connecting cities like Sydney to New York nonstop. Airlines such as Emirates, Lufthansa, and Qatar Airways have already placed orders, eager to upgrade their fleets with this next-generation aircraft. The 777X also offers an improved cabin experience, with higher humidity levels, quieter engines, and a more spacious design to reduce passenger fatigue on long journeys. Boeing has incorporated cutting-edge carbon fiber materials into the wings, making the aircraft lighter and more efficient. Despite some delays in its development, the first commercial flights are expected by 2025. The 777X represents a major step forward in both passenger comfort and operational efficiency, ensuring it will play a significant role in the future of air travel. 5. Aviation Alice, the first all-electric airliner. The Aviation Alice is leading the charge in electric aviation, aiming to be the world's first fully electric commercial airplane. This futuristic aircraft is designed for short-haul regional flights, with a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. Its twin electric motors provide a quiet, smooth ride while eliminating carbon emissions entirely. Unlike traditional planes that rely on jet fuel, the Alice is powered by high-density lithium-ion batteries similar to those used in electric cars. The aircraft's sleek, lightweight design improves efficiency, while its digital cockpit and AI-assisted controls make it one of the most advanced small passenger planes ever built. With zero emissions and lower operating costs, airlines can offer cheaper, greener flights between smaller cities. The biggest challenge for electric planes remains battery technology, but advances in energy storage are making longer flights more feasible. Aviation has already secured interest from multiple airlines, and test flights are currently underway. If successful, the Alice could redefine short-haul air travel and pave the way for larger, longer-range electric aircraft. The first commercial flights are expected to begin by 2026, marking the start of a new era in aviation. 6. Airbus A321XLR, the ultimate long-range narrowbody. The Airbus A321XLR is the latest evolution of the A320 family, offering an extended range that allows airlines to operate transatlantic and other long-haul routes with a narrow-body aircraft. Designed to be the most fuel-efficient single-aisle plane ever built, it can fly up to 4,700 nautical miles on a single tank. This means airlines can now connect cities that previously required larger, less efficient wide-body aircraft. The A321XLR features an upgraded fuel system, optimized aerodynamics, and a redesigned cabin for improved passenger comfort. Airlines like American, JetBlue, and Aer Lingus have already ordered dozens of these planes, seeing it as a game-changer for long-distance travel. The aircraft also benefits from Airbus's latest cabin innovations, including larger overhead bins, advanced noise reduction, and improved humidity control to make long flights more comfortable. By using a narrow-body plane for routes traditionally served by larger aircraft, airlines can reduce costs while offering direct flights to more destinations. This aircraft will reshape the future of long-haul travel, providing more flexibility and lower fares. Airbus expects the A321XLR to enter service in 2024, ushering in a new era of long-range efficiency. 7. Lockheed Martin SR-72, the hypersonic revolution. The Lockheed Martin SR-72, also known as the son of Blackbird, is a next-generation hypersonic aircraft designed to travel at Mach 6, 6 times the speed of sound. This futuristic jet could make global travel almost instantaneous, cutting a flight from New York to London to under an hour. Inspired by the legendary SR-71 Blackbird, the SR-72 is being developed as an unmanned reconnaissance and strike aircraft, but its technology could eventually be adapted for commercial travel. It uses a revolutionary dual-mode scramjet engine, allowing it to transition from subsonic speeds to hypersonic velocities seamlessly. The biggest challenge in hypersonic travel is managing heat generated at extreme speeds, but engineers are developing new materials and cooling systems to handle the stress. If successful, the SR-72 could pave the way for commercial hypersonic jets capable of reaching any point on Earth in just a few hours. Lockheed Martin is aiming for the first flight of the SR-72 by the mid-2030s, making hypersonic air travel one step closer to reality. 8. XTI Tryfan 600, the vertical takeoff revolution. The XTI Tryfan 600 is an innovative hybrid electric aircraft designed for business travel with the ability to take off and land vertically like a helicopter. Combining the best features of helicopters and private jets, this aircraft can take off from rooftops, helipads, or small airstrips, eliminating the need for long runways. Once airborne, the Tryfan 600 transitions into conventional flight mode, reaching speeds of 345 miles per hour and a range of 750 miles. It is powered by a hybrid electric propulsion system, making it more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly than traditional business jets. The cabin is designed for executive travel, with a luxurious interior that accommodates up to 6 passengers. This aircraft could revolutionize regional travel by providing direct flights from city centers without requiring large airports. XTI Aircraft is currently testing prototypes, with plans to enter commercial service by 2027. If successful, the Tryfan 600 could reshape urban air mobility, offering a faster, quieter, and more efficient alternative to traditional private jets. 9. Jetson 1, the personal flying car. The Jetson 1 is a revolutionary personal electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed to make flying accessible to everyone. Unlike traditional airplanes or helicopters, this lightweight, single-seat aircraft can take off and land in small spaces, making it ideal for urban commuting. Powered by 8 electric motors, the Jetson 1 can reach speeds of 63 miles per hour and fly for about 20 minutes on a single charge. Its intuitive joystick controls make it easy for anyone to operate, even without a pilot's license. Designed with safety in mind, it includes an automatic landing system, obstacle detection, and a parachute for emergency situations. As cities become more congested, personal eVTOLs like the Jetson 1 could become the future of urban mobility, allowing people to fly over traffic instead of sitting in it. The company has already started taking orders, with the first deliveries expected in 2025. While it's currently a recreational vehicle, advancements in battery technology could soon make it a practical alternative for daily commuting. 10. Embraer E3, the next-gen regional jet. The Embraer E3 is a future regional jet designed to be the most fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly aircraft in its category. Building on the success of the E-Jet series, the E3 will feature advanced aerodynamics, quieter engines, and lower operating costs, making it an attractive option for airlines serving short to medium-haul routes. One of its biggest innovations is its hybrid electric propulsion system, reducing fuel consumption by up to 30%. The aircraft's spacious cabin, large windows, and improved pressurization will enhance passenger comfort on regional flights. Embraer is also exploring hydrogen-powered variants, which could make the E3 completely emissions-free in the future. With many airlines looking for greener solutions, the E3 is expected to be a popular choice for replacing older regional jets. The first flights are scheduled for the late 2020s, with full commercial service expected by 2030. If successful, this aircraft will set new standards for regional air travel, offering better performance, lower costs, and reduced environmental impact. 11. Boeing 777X, the future of long-haul travel. The Boeing 777X is the latest and most advanced version of Boeing's legendary 777 series, designed to be the world's most efficient twin-engine long-haul aircraft. With its massive wingspan featuring foldable wingtips, the 777X offers improved aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. It is powered by the GE9X, the largest and most powerful commercial jet engine ever built, reducing fuel consumption by 10% compared to previous models. The aircraft can carry over 400 passengers while offering an impressive range of 8,730 nautical miles, making it perfect for ultra-long-haul routes. The cabin has been redesigned to provide larger windows, improved lighting, and better air quality, creating a more comfortable flying experience. The 777X is already a favorite among major airlines like Emirates, Lufthansa, and Qatar Airways, with deliveries expected to ramp up in 2025. This plane will redefine global air travel, making long-haul flights more efficient and comfortable than ever before. 12. Boom Overture, the return of supersonic travel. The Boom Overture is a next-generation supersonic airliner designed to bring back the golden age of supersonic travel. Capable of flying at Mach 1.7, it will cut travel time in half, allowing passengers to fly from New York to London in just 3.5 hours. Unlike the Concorde, which was extremely loud and inefficient, the Overture is designed to be more fuel efficient and produce 90% less noise pollution. It will run on 100% sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, making it one of the most eco-friendly supersonic aircraft ever built. The plane features a delta-wing design, optimized for both speed and efficiency, while its luxurious cabin will provide a first-class experience for 65 to 80 passengers. Major airlines, including United Airlines, have already placed orders, with the first flights expected by 2029. If successful, the Boom Overture could mark the return of commercial supersonic flights, revolutionizing air travel by making fast, global connections a reality once again. 13. Airbus ZERO, the hydrogen-powered revolution. The Airbus ZERO is Airbus's vision for a zero-emission aircraft, powered entirely by hydrogen fuel cells. This futuristic plane aims to eliminate carbon emissions, making air travel far more sustainable. Airbus is developing multiple designs, including a turboprop, a turbofan, and a blended wing body, each capable of carrying between 100 to 200 passengers. The hydrogen propulsion system produces only water vapor as a byproduct, reducing the aviation industry's carbon footprint. The biggest challenge is developing the infrastructure for hydrogen refueling, but Airbus is working with airports and governments to make this a reality. The ZERO aircraft is expected to enter service by 2035, ushering in a new era of clean aviation. If successful, this aircraft could completely transform the aviation industry, proving that sustainable air travel is not just a dream, but an achievable future. These next-generation aircraft are transforming the future of air travel, making it faster, greener, and more efficient. From supersonic jets to hydrogen-powered and electric planes, the aviation industry is entering an exciting new era. Which one do you think will change travel the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the most incredible innovations in aviation.